Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create animated pop-up effect on your images or text in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro, and now from here we're gonna make an animated pop-up text. So we're just gonna use this right here, this text. So let's just remove these transitions, and now we're here. So it's very simple, so you just have to follow my steps. So first, let's select our text right here and make sure our playhead is in the beginning of the text, just like that. And now I'm gonna go and click on the keyframe scale on my text, click on it, and then at the first one, there would be no editing right here. So we're just gonna go ahead and press the right key on our keyboard so that it would go for 5 frames, 5 times. So right there, it's now 5 frames. And now from here, I'm gonna go and put the scale into 130. And then I'm gonna go 3 frames again, 1, 2, 3. And then from here, I'm gonna go make it 95. And then I'm gonna go for another 2 frames, 1, 2. And I'm gonna go for 100. And just like that, and you would have this result right here. And as you can see, it's a pop-up effect right here. Or you could set this value, the beginning value, into 0 right here. And when you set it into 0, it would be like this. As you can see, it's a pop-up animated effect right here. So you can also do that. If you want it to be smoother, then go here. And you can select all your keyframes and then right-click on them. And then you can go for ease in right here. And as you can see, it's much smoother right there. Or you could also try others. But as you can see, it's only Bezier, by the way. So I'm sorry. You can select Bezier and you can have this smooth transition right here. So that is basically how you can do it. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.